A low species value nature system. The low YouTube value nature system. YouTube, there's an account that was pretending to be, is pretending to be me. Recorded with language only known and used by courts and by people tied to them, and doctors' drug clicks with them. That were tied to a database illusion stacking crime through time, and with fake Facebook pages pretending to be me, and with them threatening to recorded threats, conscious to, and acts criminal torturing by putting fake things in databases, attaching strangers to fake relationships to the youngest kids through time, using on-off campus roles with what they demonstrably don't understand, but through and as overt criminal enterprises recorded juxtaposed with areas with unrealized ones legalized, nation shared. But that you can't legalize that, and that was built. They built this nation knowing that. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a police. I'm not a criminal. See, but they're also recording, stealing free speech, preventing the right to religion, database illusion stacking, mail crimes, wire crimes, name shifting, and they won't give a response. See Renaissance. You see what I'm saying? So they're using the news as a weapon. They take my speech and other people's speeches and also posit us to fake sequence relationship, also fake relationships to people in courts, exploiting all exceptions criminally because they were recorded and confessed, raised. See, that's how it happens when people just keep walking up and making statements to people they don't know. They were directing an illusion, timing awareness of conversations of groups and stuff like that, and placements of people and where they're going to be, walking, and and then where they're you just sit around people you don't know anyone, and they exploit all exceptions. So there was behavior crimes with people that I never had anything to do with in high school, in grammar school, who they were trying to pretend other, and in middle school, not at all. And that was tied now to them with child predators, which is why I bring it up. And then when I try to talk, people that I had nothing to do with, all exceptions, recorded, criminally exploited, they're directing those people to evidence crime roles in conjunction, evidence reception crime roles with a breaching or with another criminal or foreign influence is worse than leaking information. They have since some ancient times, each position of human fact treatment nature was multi-front, maintained victim predator fact treatment nature reactions to databases, and having had that state specifically to maintain reactions to it already long been exploited, and that's maintained, self-cultivated, needed by already propagated like this, needed to hurt correlation nature, free speech, quality, needed to keep the religions defended crazy because they're being used private, juxtaposed, interbranch, original state, areas, internation, sciences, then them, same thing. Fact treatment nature. Fact treatment nature, not opinion nature. Fact treatment nature is progression's value, active value, and finite value at the same time simultaneously, also positive unto itself, as the cause of evolution, which is tactically recorded, obfuscated per ulterior, juxtaposed, engineered.